Say Team
No, I'm saying
Alex
like
because he is
go
on.
team.
All right, everybody. Welcome to the week 6 veto competition. Everybody has their things to write on and stuff like that. So, for this week's veto competition, we will be playing Stay or Fold. So how this will work is you'll be shown an amount of a certain object, and we'll tell you how many of that object there is. Then we will show you a larger amount of that object, and you will write down how many of that object you think there is in the second bag. Everyone will then show their guesses, and then you will decide whether or not you would like to stay or fold. If you fold, you won't be able to receive a point for the round, as the object of the game is to get 3 points. Everyone who stays will be in contention for the point, and whoever is the closest guess, without going over, of those who stay, will earn the point for the round. If you are the furthest away from the correct number of those who stay, you are out of the competition. Whoever gets 3 points first, or is the last one standing, will win the power of veto. Does anyone have any questions before we get started? Okay, fantabulous. I did not click that. I'm trying to submit. Okay.
So is everyone ready for the first item?
Yes.
All right. So your first item is going to be some cough drops. So this right here is 3 cough drops. How many cough drops is this?
How many cough drops did you say were in the original bag?
The original bag has 3 cough drops.
And how many did you say are in the second bag?
That's what
Right.
you
That
decide,
is-
buddy.
Oh, that's okay.
That is
Okay,
the
I'm
point.
sorry. I'm picking up what you're throwing down now.
I hate this.
You give us a thumbs up on your answer, buddy.
Prod, can you PM me how many is in the bigger bag? Thank you.
That is
Oh.
a great question that we cannot do.
Guys, listen, it's really funny.
I changed my
Even
writing.
funnier the second time.
Okay.
Listen, I thought I was original. I don't know what you all are doing.
Benji, are you ready? Okay.
I'm ready now.
All right.
Then I'm gonna finish my food first.
Benji, good. Okay, everyone reveal
My
in
food is on the
3,
side.
2, 1. Okay, Chris says 35. Benji says 35. Cody says 31. Eric says 28. Juan says 27. And Morgan says 47. So now that everyone's answers have been revealed, you can now decide whether or not you would like to stay or fold. And I will make a clarification for this. Because Chris and Benji both said the same score, if they were to both stay, then the same action would apply to both of them. So if they both stay and 35 is the closest answer of those who stayed, they'll both get a point. If 35 is the furthest and they both stay, then they will both be eliminated. And everyone has decided whether or not they would like to stay or fold. Please let us know.
Is it without going over or no? It doesn't
It
matter.
is
It's just for
closest
this
without
away.
going over.
Okay.
Okay, everyone reveal in 3, 2, 1. Okay, those folding are Chris, Benji, Morgan, and Juan. And those staying are Cody and Eric. So, Eric wrote down 28. Cody wrote down 31. The amount of cough drops in the second bag was 45 cough drops, which means Cody, you are the closest and you get a point. And Eric, unfortunately, you are eliminated from the competition.
Thank you.
And with that, we move on to our next item.
All right. So our next item, which I totally didn't just find that I had yesterday, are glow sticks. So we have here 8 glow sticks. How many glow sticks is this?
Hey,
Stop moving them! Fuck!
You're trying to count them?
Isn't that the goal of the challenge?
Wild.
Also, I'm sorry if I yelled and woke up my neighbors. I'll be better.
All right, is everybody ready?
Oh, Juan, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, reveal in 3, 2, 1. Chris says 29. Benji says 24. Juan says 29. Is that 27 or 29?
27.
27.
Okay. Cody says 19 and Morgan says 18. Okay, everyone can decide whether or not they would like to stay or fold.
Right. Okay.
All right. Okay, everyone reveal in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Chris is folding, Cody is staying, Benji is staying, and Morgan and Juan are folding. Okay, so Cody and Benji are the people staying. Benji guessed there were 24 glow sticks, and Cody guessed there were 19 glow sticks. The correct answer is 32 glow sticks, which means Benji, you get a point, and Cody, I'm sorry, you are out of the competition. And we are now moving on to our next item.
All right, our next item is some nice Frosted Flakes cereal. Totally not sponsored. These are 3 bits of cereal.
I hate you.
You counted.
How many is this?
Can you move it over to the left?
Yep.
Okay.
Wait, the left? Wait, your left or
Well,
my left?
my left. Sorry, you're right.
To the center of the screen, bestie.
Girl, this is rigged. I hate this.
We give it a nice shake, maybe.
Yeah, make them break so
So
it'll-
compressed, the footage.
So there was this amount, but now there is twice that amount because they're all broken.
I can't even tell what that is.
Come through, meiosis.
Frosted Flakes, buddy.
Flakes.
Okay.
Oh,
Chris, are you ready?
that's fucked.
Okay, everyone reveal in 3, 2, 1. All right, Chris said 12. Benji said 16. Morgan said 22, and Juan said 27. Okay. Now, everyone, please decide whether or not you would like to stay or fold. Okay.
About to have one left.
All right. Oh no. Reveal in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so Morgan and Juan have stayed, and the others have folded.
I'm filming out 27.
Okay, so so Juan guessed that there were 27 bits of cereal, and Morgan guessed that there were 22. The correct answer was 14 bits of cereal, which means, Morgan, you are the closest, and you get
Oh.
a
Well, that's why Cinnamon Toast Crunch is better. Bye.
Juan, I'm so sorry you are out of the competition.
Should have goddamn stayed.
I
We will
hate.
say
I
ahead of
can't
time.
count things.
We will say ahead of time. We do have 11 items. If we get through all the 11 items, we do have a tiebreaker in mind.
What happens if you don't get through the 11 items?
Then the
You just did a lot of
competition's over.
counting for nothing, didn't you?
Drag them.
Okay, so next up is the rubber bands.
As someone who also does desk work and sees rubber bands all the time, I may have an eye twitch. Just prepare.
All right. So next is some rubber bands. So this right here is actually 3 rubber bands. How many rubber bands is this?
Oh my god. Goodbye.
At least 2.
I can
I
count
cannot
3.
confirm nor deny.
Okay.
69.
Whatever.
All right. Is everybody ready or oh no, Chris is still waiting.
Changed last
Okay,
second. I
everyone
apologize.
reveal in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Chris says there are 47. Benji says there are 28, and Morgan says there are 31. Okay.
Did everyone reveal? Or the stay or fold?
Not yet.
You all ready to reveal?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Lovely. Everyone reveal in 3, 2, 1. Chris has folded. Benji has folded. Morgan has stayed, which means Morgan gets the point by default.
Period.
Number.
This next one is one of my personal favorites.
So the score right now, as it stands, is Morgan with 2 points, Benji with 1 point, and Chris with no points.
We need to know what the number of rubber bands was.
We do.
Oh.
You didn't say that.
I didn't say that. It was 26.
Oh,
Oh.
wow.
Bye.
That's way lower than I was
Bye.
It looked like so many.
Bye. I knew I
They're all
invested in
jumbled
my
up in
glasses
there.
correctly.
All right. So the next is one of my favorites because it's mine. The next we have is some Legos. So this in here
I love
is
to not step
20
on it.
Legos.
That's 20?
This is 20 Legos.
Of
I can believe
various
Oh my
sizes.
god.
They are of various sizes.
How many Legos are in here?
Mm.
It has to be at least 20.
At least 2.
Like, what? How big is a Lego? Like, did I not know how big Legos are?
We'll give it a nice turn so you can see it from all angles.
Yeah, give us that 480p camera quality, baby.
Oh yeah, baby.
Yo, I'm so done.
Okay, whatever.
Listen, if I can't win, I'm gonna have fun. I'm sorry.
When I
No, I love
first
that.
watched LPs as like an 11-year-old, they were in 240p, and I liked it.
Right.
All right, is everybody ready?
Okay.
All right. Please reveal your scores or your things, whatever.
Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, not me
So,
guessing super low. Hi.
Chris said 89. Benji said 75. And Morgan said 45.
Lovely.
All right.
Everyone
You know
can
what?
Decide whether you stay or you fold. All right, everybody is ready. Please reveal.
Okay. Chris has folded, but Morgan and Benji have both stayed. Okay, so Benji has said there were 75, and Morgan has said that there were 45. The correct answer is
198.
Bye. Goodbye.
which means that Morgan, you are out of the competition, and Benji, you get a point.
I counted those myself.
That's
Now-
Good job,
wild.
girl.
Actually, I counted all of these. I'm taking the credit.
Okay, so
When
now-
I was a child, Legos were big as hell. What happened?
Girl,
Those are mega
Back in my
blocks.
day-
Morgan play with Duplo
Right.
over here.
Bro, those are
back
Prigos.
in my day, Legos were Lincoln
So now, because there are two of you left, correct me if I'm wrong here, because
Yes.
there are two of you left, and it doesn't really like matter for you to both stay or both fold or anything like that. I believe how we're treating this now is just a who's closer.
No, we
No?
just mentioned that
Oh,
we're
did
going
we?
to keep going because it's whoever gets
Oh.
3 points.
Okay, my bad. Okay.
It's probably going to end this round, though. Let's be
What?
honest here.
All right. So this next one, we have other ones just in case it does last. But this next one we have is some pasta. So these are little pasta shells. There's 13 of them. 13 pasta shells. How many pasta shells are in here? Do we do the 360?
At least we know what's for dinner.
Legos. We went from Legos to Pregos. Next, we're gonna count waffles, so it goes from Legos to Pregos to Egos,
Is everybody ready?
and then we're gonna go to dinosaurs and count some Stegos.
Wait, Benji, are you ready or are you still thinking?
I'm still thinking.
Okay, that is so fair.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right. Please reveal your scores. One of you says, Chris says 92. Benji says 80. I'm assuming that's 80 with the slash.
Yes, that is
through it.
correct.
Okay, because with
That
the
is correct.
slash
It is
through it, I'm
80.
like, do you mean 80?
No, I completely get that.
All right. So now you can decide to stay or fold. All right.
Yeah, there's definitely 8 pasta shells in there.
Totally.
No comment.
Could be.
They just get upgraded to full stuff shell size.
As it should. All right. Making sure.
Benji, you good?
Sorry, I'm thinking. I was just trying to find out where the fuck I put the sentence from. Yeah, fuck. Sorry, I was trying to reuse paper instead of
All
being a
right.
non-eco-conscious whore. So
Eco-friendly.
yeah, eco-friendly whore. Then I'm ready.
All right. Please show us your decisions.
Okay.
All right. With that, Chris scores the point. Benji folded. So it is still in the game. The correct answer is 130. So Chris.
We made the right
scored that
choices.
That's a lot of stuffed shell pastas.
We have a
That's
weird
not enough.
collection of stuff in front of us right now.
They're not stuffed yet.
All
It's
right.
true. They're empty.
That's her hypnotic after hours.
We snacking today.
Is it giving sausage party? Is that what we're giving?
All right.
Oh,
Okay, so the
You guys
next
would be
one-
recorded for zeros
The
of
next-
viewers, right?
1 second, because Jacob might have one. Or Jacob, do you want to do this one then?
Sure.
Yeah, if you have it ready.
Period. All right. So this is one whole ass 3DS game. Love the 3DS. Smash Brothers
God.
for Nintendo 3DS. So that's one. How many is this?
Damn it, this economy?
That is also how I keep my DS games.
I
I
underneath.
bought a carrying case a while ago.
Jacob, we need
That's
to
a
talk about
bag
your
for my
addiction.
carrying case.
Plastic bags.
Back in the day on the DS, that was me. 3DS, I'm not a heathen anymore.
And speaking of staying or folding, I gotta go.
Fuck out. Don't take my joke ever again. It's my thing.
Being in my joke.
Sapphire?
It's my joke. It's my
Can
thing.
you turn the bag again?
Insisting.
It's 3D.
Are you guys
Okay.
Is
good to
good.
go?
Benji is good. Chris is good.
Okay.
It's 3, 2, 1. Reveal. Benji says 14. Chris says 19. So now you must decide whether or not you would like to stay or you would like to fold.
Current score is Benji with 2 points and Chris with 1 point.
I rummaged my whole house for these 3DS games.
I would like a full numerated list later, Jacob.
The effort that they put into count, I took to search that we to find the things to make.
Who's we? It was me. I was home
Benji's
today.
ready.
Yes.
Chris is ready. All right.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Reveal. Both opt to stay. So, okay, Alex, you announce it.
Okay, I'll do this way. So both players have stayed. So it is all about who is the closest without going over. Whoever is closest without going over will be the winner, and the other person will be out, therefore making the other winner. So with Chris saying 19 and Benji saying 14, the correct answer was 17, which means congratulations, Benji. You are the winner of the Power of Veto.
Congrats, Benji.
Congrats.
Damn, GG.
Thank you.
Both close.
What a game. Okay.
I would have said 19 also.
Bye, you all. I gotta go back to work. Thanks for trying to get the comp ran for me quicker. I appreciate you guys. Bye, guys.
Have fun.
See you, Eric.
Bye, Eric.
Okay, so Benji, you will now have an hour to decide whether or not you would like to use the Power of Veto. And at that point, we will have the veto ceremony after an hour. So.
Okay.